I'd like to talk today about the incredible new treatment using laser medicine to treat snoring and sleep apnea. These are one and the same cause of symptoms, and they're a major cause of dysfunction in the family and marital situation. They're a major cause of tiredness and lethargy and problems with concentration and focusing at work. And really there's no other good, easy, long-term solution other than this new laser treatment. The alternate treatments are having to wear a CPAP machine each and every night for the rest of your life, or having to use a mouth guard which brings the mandible forward in a very uncomfortable position, and again having to wear it each and every night. Our SleepTight program, done at the specialist clinics of Australia, has been in operation for over 4 years now, and we have done thousands of patients with excellent results. For people who are compliant with our treatment protocols, follow-up and maintenance program, we're getting over a 90% success rate at treating both snoring and sleep apnea. The laser treatment is a series of 3 simple laser treatments taking approximately 20 minutes. It's non-invasive. There is no downtime afterwards other than maybe a dry, irritated throat for a day or so. We've had no complications over nearly 5,000 treatments so far. There is a maintenance program of 1 every 6 months to control and maintain the symptom relief.